Squarespace just made some updates to the way we edit our website header, and in today's video I want to walk you through those updates and show you how you can customize the look and feel of your Squarespace site header area. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana and I am the web designer and owner behind Lea Design Studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates and websites to help you look great online. And here on this channel I share design, business and tech tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that is something that interests you, definitely hit that subscribe button. And now without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. So I'm over here on my demo website, and to see the new features, this is of course for Squarespace 7.1 version. So to see the new features, click on the edit button and then edit site header. And now you can see that we have different sections of that navigation or of that site header area. So we have one for site title and logo. And if you click on that, you'll get a little pencil icon where you can update your site title or upload your logo image. If you click on the navigation, you can rearrange the pages and basically drag them and drop them into place how you want them to appear. If you click on show pages, that'll take you to the site navigation area and basically take you out of the editing mode. As you can see, I get a pop-up asking me if I want to save my changes. And if I click exit, nothing will change here, but I will be taken to this section, the pages area, where I can basically add more pages to my main navigation or drag them from the main navigation into the not linked section. It's a shame that we can't add pages directly in that menu, but it is what it is. Maybe Squarespace will add that in the future. If we go back to the edit site header mode, you can also edit the social links that you have here. And if you click on the edit button, you can change the design by customizing the social icon size and specifying whether or not they have a border and what that border should look like. You can also add more social links here. And if you click on edit, you can drag and drop and rearrange the icons to appear in the order that you want. Another cool feature of this update is that now we have this option to resize the header. So if you drag this up or down, you can make the site header bigger or smaller. And then you also have the option to add elements such as the button, the social links, the card icon, or the language switch. Another cool feature is that if you click on the edit design option, here is where you can change the layout of your site header. No new options here, they're the same as before, but if you want to switch it up and change the look of your navigation, this is where you can do it. You can change the spacing between individual links as well as between different elements. So for example, your site navigation and your social links, this is what the element spacing does. Like so. And then you have the same effects options as before. You can add a drop shadow, a border, and make your header be sticky so that when somebody scrolls down your site, they can always see the menu no matter how further down they scroll. And then you can also control the height of the menu here manually if you don't want to use that slider that is present, and control the width of your header area, whether you want it to be full or inset like so. For the drop shadow, you have some new options. You can choose between soft and strong, and you can choose the color. Keep in mind that it's not very visible right now because the color of the header area and the first section that we have here is the same, so you can't really see it. In order to see this, you would have to change the colors. And then you have the same options as before. You can change the color for the drop shadow, control the spread, the distance, and the blur, and you can remove it by clicking remove. And the same applies for border. You can choose the color, the thickness of it, and where you want the border to be. And yeah, this is how you now edit the site header in your Squarespace website. And that's it for this week's tutorial. And if you want more tutorials about Squarespace, I have a full playlist that I will link to on the screen that you can watch after this. And if you're looking for more help with your website, I do have a free roadmap that walks you through the process of getting started with Squarespace, and I will leave a link to it in the description below, so definitely check it out. That's it from me this week, and I'll see you next time.